Welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can block someone on Steam. So guys, if you're trying to block someone in Steam but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So guys, just go ahead and open your Steam app and make sure you're logged in and find someone that you want to block. And now just go to their profile, and in this page right here, if you're friends with them, instead of add friend, you would see that you're friends, and you can find their achievements, their profile, and in this 3-dot button, just go ahead and tap here and get find options like stop following, block all communication, and report player. Just go ahead and tap on block all communication. So this is the block button, and tap on yes, block them, and guys, there you go. You have successfully blocked on Steam account. So guys, that's how you block someone on Steam. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.